Hello there, everyone. This is Diane from Stamping with Diane in Innisfil, Ontario, and I am here to show you our new mini catalog, September to December, is now on its way out. We are in the last month, and as of today, we have our last chance and retired products list. So now, if you click on one of these items from this catalog, maybe something you still have your eye on, maybe something you're thinking ahead to use next year, maybe some of this gorgeous paper that's really not Christmassy but can be used for any occasion. If you type in the item number onto the website, you may see a discounted price, or you may see that it says discontinued. And so that means they are while supplies last. This kind of a set, you can't go wrong. It's great for next year, great for putting together quick cards, great for using with children, and mixing and matching all of these tags, cards and envelopes, and the ephemera packs. Today is also the day that I just received my pre-order. So here we go, live. I'm going to show you what I ordered from the new January to April catalog. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I'd forgotten everything. Okay, so ink. Can't go wrong with ink. Always need some ink. This, oh yes, okay, because this is the January catalog pre-order, it also means that as a demonstrator, I was able to pre-qualify for Sale-a-bration items. Sale-a-bration means, oh, here it is. Here's the new catalog. So I have some here. If you are one of my regular customers who I usually give a catalog to, don't worry, you're on my list. If you would like a mini catalog in the hard copy form so you can sit with your cup of tea and look through it, let me know and I will make sure to get you one. So I can't show you what's inside yet, but I can show you some of the products. And here's the Sale-a-bration brochure as well. What this means, friends, is for every $75 worth of product that you order from any of the catalogs, you qualify to choose something free from the Sale-a-bration. So I think I have some of those items in here too. This is one of them. The photopolymer stamp set, Day to Celebrate. I really like this because it is universal. We can put it with lots of different things. Hooray, happy birthday, congrats, all day your way, just some kind of confetti. It's a good day to celebrate. So this could be used for engagements, for graduations, for promotions at work, whatever. I think that's a nice versatile one. This, yes, the birthday celebration. This is one I ordered because I love that it has the first, second, third, fourth short forms here, because I believe, let's see what else we got. Oh, I can't wait to show you that. The dies that go with it. Hooray, make a wish, happy day, happy for you. Sorry about the noise there, this crinkling. This is the birthday celebration dies that coordinates with this, and this is part of our new catalog. So birthdays, of course, all year long you can use these. Yes, it's got the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right up to the 9 and the 0. It's got a kind of a tassel, some tags. It will cut out like a little banner here. It will cut out with this shaped die, will cut out some of these greetings. And I just loved, so now I can say happy 6th birthday, happy 47th birthday, or whatever, and be able to combine the numbers and the stamps. So I thought this one was super versatile. That's what I like, versatile stamp sets. Okay, speaking of stamp sets that are versatile, I liked this one as well. Hugs for Love. This is also part of our new catalog, but it's got a Valentine's Day We don't use it a lot, but you do need to have it from time to time. Sending you a big hug. You and I make the best team. Lots of hugs and kisses. You make me smile. So for love, but also for other occasions as well. Just you make me smile could be used on a thank you as well. Now let me see. Heart-shaped dies. Is that the one that goes with? As you can tell, I ordered these a little while ago. This is one of the big perks of being a demonstrator, is being able to order these things in advance, get your hands on them, and start playing. So this one has, here we go, oops, heart-shaped dies. Oh, okay. Yeah, it doesn't go with this one. It goes with something else. Look at this. I loved this. It's very leafy. You could add more leaves in here. There's a nice little banner here. Let me just set that aside because I think it goes with something else that I have in the box. Ah, this one. Here it is. And this is a Sale-a-bration. My heart loves your heart. Thank you. Just because my thoughts are all, my thoughts of you are all heart-shaped. So cute. This is a Sale-a-bration, and this one you qualify with $150 worth of product. You get the whole bundle. So you get the dies and the stamp set, which again I think are great, not just for Valentine's, but for really any occasion. This would make some gorgeous wedding cards or engagement cards, whatever. So that's a Sale-a-bration item. What's this? Okay, I can't wait to show you this one. I think that all goes together. This, love punches. I love punches. Not everyone has a die cut and emboss machine, but look at this beautiful punch. It could go this way or this way, and it's going to punch out these two stamps. So again, you could put your label inside there and punch this out. And of course it would coordinate, I'm sure, with lots of other stamps that you already have. So I always love a versatile punch like this that could be used for lots of occasions. So that one from the new mini catalog. Okay, what's this? What did I order here? Oh yes. Oh, I'm very excited about this. This is our Color Coach color wheel, which is now available on our website. I think it's $15, $17, something like that. You open it up and it will show you triadic colors, complementary colors, analogous colors, and monochromatics. Let's just see how it works. I had been putting off getting this. So there, we just pump it in like this. There is a little push pin to hold that in place. Pop it in like so, and there, if you want to make a monochromatic, it's going to show you colors that are going to work well together. And of course, just spin around until you find the color combination that you like. Here's how it works with the complementary. You can go across the circle. So this has all of our basic colors. It doesn't have the regals. So the regals, if you remember, are the grays, dark brown, those darker colors. And it doesn't have our in colors because those change yearly. So this is a standard color wheel that's going to last for a long time. Lots of fun to help you with your planning of your projects. Okay. This is la pièce de résistance for me. Love this. It's called Storybook Moments. Oh, and I have to open it up. To me, it's, sorry about the noise, it is a memory of Beatrix Potter. Oops, pardon me. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Look at this. Look at these papers. So this one is already designed that you can cut it apart for card fronts, for note cards and envelopes. It's got a neutral background. I've got two of those. Aren't these little critters so stinking cute? Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This one, gardening. Got a lot of gardeners out there, I know. Oh, something's falling apart back here. A lot of gardeners. Here's our fresh veggies. We could cut these apart. You could fussy cut them. And then, what's on the back of this one? Oh, cute little houses. Cottages, again, very much Beatrix Potter in my opinion. And some more fun little critters doing some chores out in the garden, picking flowers, catching butterflies, harvesting the vegetables. And on the back of that, again, a nice neutral. But then look at these. There are 2 sheets of these, very delicate, but you just pop them out. Okay, you can see how some of them are already popping. And you could use those again to embellish cards, to embellish scrapbook pages, to put on. I think this set would be great for Easter, spring, thank you, hello, and welcome little one. Perfect for a little, a new baby. Perfect for the new spring, friends, all of those things. So we've got all of these cute stamps, and we've got the sentiments, plus that gorgeous paper, and we've got dies. So the dies here are likely going to cut out those friends, and I bet some of them will also fit onto the designer paper. Again, I apologize for the noise, but I really wanted you to see this as I'm seeing it for the first time. Here we go. Yes. So all of these odd looking shapes are all going to coordinate with our friendly little critters here. Perfect for coloring with watercolor pencils or your Stampin' Write markers. But look at these gorgeous frames. So fun that you can make them look like picture frames on your projects. Also, this is a Sale-a-bration folder, I believe. So very nice that Sale-a-bration is offering one of the embossing folders. So this is the one that puts texture onto your paper. This is also part of this, what is it called? Country Storybook Friends Suite, Timeless Plaid Designer Paper. So no cute little critters on this. This is all plaid papers. Not going to open that just yet. It also comes with some beautiful ribbon. And, oh my goodness, look at these shiny gems. So much fun. These are the antique pearls. I like that they lie flat. Again, perfect for all of your projects. And I think that's, oh, here's the other piece. This is the little, to hold my color wheel together. What'd you call that? Push pin? So my friends, if you would like to get anything from this catalog, we're now in last chance, which means time is running out, which means once it's gone, it's gone. So don't hesitate if there's something in here, especially maybe some look at the non-Christmassy things. If you want a copy of the mini catalog for January, I will also include the Sale-a-bration flyer with that for you. So let me know below, and I'm gonna have some fun playing with this beautiful paper. All right, friends, you can always shop at my online store at dianethatcher.stampinup.net. My store is always open, and I'm always available through my email or through messaging here to help you out with any of your questions or concerns. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.